You won't believe this incredibly moist lemon pound cake is actually healthy. No refined sugar, no butter. This is our secret. Half a cup of unsweetened dairy-free yogurt. Next, grab your lemon. Tablespoon of lemon zest. Now, lemon juice. Fresh is best, but if you don't have any, you can always use store-bought. I won't tell. We need a quarter cup of lemon juice. Next, half a cup of your choice of plant-based milk. And now our sweetener, 1/3 cup of monk fruit. I love it because it's got 0 calories and no sugar, and it won't spike your blood sugar. Have you tried monk fruit? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know what you think. Instead of butter, we're using a quarter cup of extra light olive oil. And trust me on this, olive oil keeps the pound cake way more moist. It keeps the pound cake moist for longer than butter. And last, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla and citrus is a match made in heaven. Stir just until smooth. In another bowl, we're using 1.5 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose, but if you want a healthier option, you can use whole wheat. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a dash of salt. Give it a quick whisk. Bring our ingredients together. Fun fact, did you know that in France, a lemon pound cake is actually called a quatre quarts, which stands for 4 parts butter, sugar, milk, and eggs. Ours is just as delicious, but healthier. Stir just until all the flour disappears, because this is where most pound cakes go wrong. Too much mixing. For our loaf pan, I'm using an 8.5 by 4.5. It's lightly greased and lined with parchment paper. Pour the batter in our loaf pan. We're gonna pop this in the oven, in our preheated oven at 350, and we're gonna bake it for 45 to 55 minutes. And when it's ready, it'll have a nice golden brown top. This is a bonus flavor hack. While the lemon pound cake is still warm, just brush 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice over the top. While our lemon pound cake is cooling, we are making our copycat Starbucks icing, but healthier. We will need 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm using Swerve, which is 0 calorie and diabetic friendly, but you can use coconut sugar or erythritol. I hope I'm pronouncing that word correctly. Erythritol? Erythritol? I don't know. Erythritol. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon of water. Now whisk until you get a nice smooth glaze. Taste test. This is so soft and fluffy. And it's got the perfect lemon flavor. It's not too sweet, really tangy, just perfect. If you enjoyed this recipe, you've got to check out my healthy pumpkin bread recipe next. It's refined sugar-free, it's moist, it's delicious. Just click over here and I'll see you there.